Hello, this is Crypto CJ, and welcome to today's trade of the day. Today, I'm sporting a new background. Pretty cool, huh? I finally got around to try to learn how Zoom works, and evidently you can put software backgrounds in the back. So I've got my Bitcoin thing going here. My head is a little weird, but hey, that's I'm having some fun with this. Anyway, today I'm not going to talk about a specific trade of the day. I did have a couple today, but I want to focus instead on my Monday Zoom calls. Yes, that's right. I've chosen Monday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern for the weekly Zoom calls. And I just want to do a short video about what to expect on those calls. I'm going to limit it to day trading fundamentals and specifically what I do to locate trades. And we may even do some evaluation on the TradingView platform, depending on what the market shows us on Monday night. So I'll share my screen. And the first thing we'll talk about is altcoin alert. And this is the altcoin alert site. The radar is the first page one encounters. And some of the people who will be on this meeting on Monday night are familiar with this, some are not. But if you've watched my channel, you've seen me refer to this several times. I'm just going to go over how I sort this, the AA scores, sorting by trading activity, or by the 1 hour projection, by social activity. We'll take some of these recommendations and we'll look at the TradingView charts on Monday night and see if there are any potential trades. So we'll do that. And we will also look at the Buddy Coin Crawler. This is the iCoin Pro system I use quite a bit. It's not really a system, it's an information source. And I like to sort it from the average low to SMA. And then you'll see these numbers, these percentages from top to bottom dwindling, and then I will show you how I look at these and what coins I look at and what coins I don't. We'll discuss that on Monday night as well. Some people who've traded with me for a long time are very familiar with iCoin Pro. Some of you are not. I sent an email to many of you with a recommendation you learn at least the 1, 2, 3 dip strategy. Or go through that hour-long tutorial on iCoin Pro. I will confess, yes, I am a marketer, and if you join iCoin Pro with a paid membership, I will receive a small commission, but that's not my motivation for sending it to you. I think iCoin Pro is an excellent way to learn how to day trade. It's fairly simple, and it's very, very conservative. Now, at this point in my trading career, my risk tolerance is beyond following iCoin Pro to the letter, so I do follow many of its strategies, but I push harder for larger profits, as you've seen from my videos. But it's a great place to learn how to day trade with the 1, 2, 3 dips, squeeze trades. They teach about the RSI, which is relative strength index, and the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence. Bollinger Bands and all those technical indicators that come in handy, looking at the 5-minute chart, 1 hour, 4 hour, day, and looking at the indicators on those charts as well. So when I go through speedy like that, it sounds intimidating, but it's really not. It's something that most people can learn. You will have to watch videos over and over and over again. I watch everything at least 3 times when I learn something new. The first time just to get the overall picture. The second time I take written notes. The third time I type up notes. And that way I have bullet points for the future. But that's how I learn. How you learn is up to you. But anyway, that's okay. Well, here's what the Monday night call will not include is I'm not going to talk about the long-term projections of any coins or tokens, unless that has something to do with the day trade analysis. That is about the 5th or 6th thing I take into consideration when I choose a trade. So, it's somewhat relevant, but not entirely. And I'm I'm also not going to talk about, the other crypto-oriented businesses I'm in, like Burex or PGI Global, some of those things that I believe in, but are outside the scope of what we'll be talking about on Monday night. So if you're interested in those things, we'll need to talk about that some other time. With that in mind, if you do want to attend the Monday night Zoom call, send me an email, cryptocj13@gmail.com, and let me know your interest, and I'll respond with putting you on my email list and sending you a link to the 123 dip training from iCoin Pro. It's completely free. Sign up for a free account. Lots of free resources on that page. So that's all I have for Friday night. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing all or most of you on Monday night. Talk to you then. Bye.